Hello everyone, my name is Roy. Welcome to my channel RoysArtyCrafty. So in this video we'll be trying 3 variations of cursive handwriting. So let's start the video. So this cursive style has some letters like M and N, and they will be having sharp edges, or the top end will be sharp, or they will be pointed. So now in this style, some letters like A or E or S will be larger in shape. Like example, A and G will be a bit circular or a bit rounder or a bit larger in shape. This example has been tried on 2 lines, and the letters will cross approximately the half of the spaces between the 2 lines. So that is the shape or the size which has been used in this example. In this style, all the letters may not be connected to each other. So within a word, around 50 to 60% of the letters will be connected to each other, and the letters will cross around half of the space or height between the 2 lines. And all the letters or words have been written in a slanted way with an angle of 4 to 5 degrees. So let's see how we can continue the rest.
Take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see.
So in this style, a bit of style has been added on the initial letters or the capital letters of a word, and the rest of the letters have been written in a cursive way with more than 80% connected to each other. So let's continue now.
trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too.
If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.